Hello everyone! So today it's lunch of time. So we're gonna eat. Do you know this?
I never tried.
You never tried? Oh. So this is tortang talong. In English, eggplant omelette.
Omelette?
Yeah. It's a fried eggplant with egg. So let's try it. Let's eat, guys. Usually, we serve this for breakfast. How about that? Fishing?
What is this?
It's easy to cook. Yes. First, you need to peel the eggplant, and then peel, and then next you need to the egg, mix, then dip this, dip the eggplant and fry it.
That's like a tempura.
Yeah.
Tempura also dip it and fry it.
Yeah, something like that.
Is it good with bacon? Because omelette.
Yeah. Or toyo mansi, like soy sauce and calamansi. Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
it good?
Yeah, sometimes when we cook this, they mix the ground beef, ground pork. But I love this.
It's different taste. Sweet.
How many months you stay here?
8.
And then you just try it. Just
try it. Yeah. Is it really common here for the breakfast?
yes, very common.
It's good.
It's healthy.
Is it whole eggplant?
Yeah, usually we use the whole eggplant and then dip it with the egg.
Still here, this one.
Yeah.
They use it as handle.
Yeah.
Right. That's all for today. And thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.